Welcome students. In this video we are going to learn about a poem. The name of the poem is Cradle Song. This poem is written by Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was born on 1879 and died on 1949. She was an Indian poet and freedom fighter. She was called the Nightingale of India for her beautiful poems. Her poems cover a wide range of topics such as nature, love, death, patriotism, and the everyday lives of the working class. Let's drill the hard words of the lesson. Cradle, C-R-A-D-L-E. Grooves, G-R-O-V-E-S. Athwart, A-T-H-W-A-R-T. Aglint, A-G-L-I-N-T. Gleam, G-L-E-A-M. Gleam. Let's drill the word meaning of the poem. Grooves. Grooves means group of trees. Athwart. Athwart means across. Aglint. Aglint means shining. Gleam means shine brightly. In the poem, The Cradle Song, a mother is trying to put her child to fall asleep by describing the dream she has brought for the child. She uses ample beautiful images to help the child visualize them and ultimately closes his eyes. The poem also shows the maternal love for the child and shows the power of the mother's voice, which is soothing for the child. The poem has been divided into 3 stanzas. In the first stanza, the poet begins creating imaginations from different beautiful places. According to her, she has brought a little lovely dream with shining and glittering dews in the form of a beautiful song for her children from grooves, a group of trees of spice, the field of rice, and from stream full of lotus flowers. In the second stanza, the mother tells her child to close his eyes and imagine wild fireflies dancing through the neem tree. She has stolen the dream from Poppy Bowl only for him. In the third and the final stanza, the child goes into sleep and the mother wishes him good night and sweet dreams. She then presses her hands gently on him and wishes him to sleep as well as dream well. Let's read the poem. From groves of spice, over fields of rice, athwart the lotus stream, I bring for you a glint with dew, a little lovely dream. Sweet, shut your eyes. The wild fireflies dance through the fairy neem. From the poppy bowl, for you I stole a little lovely dream. Dear eyes, good night in golden light. The stars around you gleam. On you I press with soft caress a little lovely dream. Students, in this video we have learned a beautiful poem, Cradle Song by Sarojini Naidu.